Data has the power to change the world. Think about this. A bank identifies 15 new opportunities to promote a product, resulting in $120 million in revenue. A distribution company figures out a better way to manage shipping, reducing their cost by $500,000. Google creates a new tool that can identify breast cancer tumors in nearby lymph nodes. These are all amazing achievements, but do you know what they have in common? They're all the results of data analytics. You absolutely have the power to change the world as a data analyst, and it starts with how you share data with your team. In this video, we will think through all of the variables you should consider when sharing data. When you successfully deliver data to your team, you can ensure that they're able to make the best possible decisions. Earlier, we learned that speed can sometimes affect accuracy when sharing data-based information with a team. That's why you need a solid process that weights the outcomes and actions of your analysis. So, where do you start? Well, the best solutions start with questions. You might remember from our last video that stakeholders will have a lot of questions, but it's up to you to figure out what they really need. So ask yourself, does your analysis answer the original question? Are there other angles you haven't considered? Can you answer any questions that may get asked by your data and analysis? That last question brings up something else to think about. How detailed should you be when sharing your results? Would a high-level analysis be okay? Above all else, your data analysis should help your team make better, more informed decisions. Here's another example. Imagine a landscaping company is facing rising costs and they can't stay competitive in the bidding process. One question you could ask to solve this problem is, can the company find new suppliers without compromising quality? If you gave them a high-level analysis, you'd probably just include the number of clients and cost of supplies. Here, your stakeholder might object. She's worried that reducing quality will limit the company's ability to stay competitive and keep customers happy. Well, she's got a point. In that case, you need to provide a more detailed data analysis to change her mind. This might mean exploring how customers feel about different brands. You might learn that customers don't have a preference for specific landscape brands, so the company can change to the more affordable suppliers without compromising quality. If you feel comfortable using the data to answer all these questions and considerations, you've probably landed on a solid conclusion. Nice! Now that you understand some of the variables involved with sharing data with a team, like process and outcome, you're one step closer to making sure that your team has all the information they need to make informed, data-driven decisions.